Good morning, students. All of you open your science book. All of you open your science book. Science book open करिए. Class third. Okay, open your science book, students. Have you all opened it? Now, students, I am going to explain you the chapter number 8. Open chapter number 8. Houses and clothes. Okay, houses and clothes. So today we are going to do a reading of this chapter. So all of you open your book. Open your science book, chapter number 8, houses and clothes. Okay, we are going to do a reading. So पेज नंबर यू हैव टू ओपन 61. पेज नंबर 61 ओपन करिए सब लोग. ओपन पेज नंबर 61 ऑफ योर बुक. हाउसेज वी लिव इन मीन्स हाउसेज जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू. आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ रीडिंग टुडे. आज मैं सिर्फ आपको रीडिंग कराऊंगी. सो ऑल ऑफ यू पुट योर फिंगर्स और put your one finger in your book, okay, like this, and start reading it with me. We need a house to live in. Our houses protects us from the heat of the sun, the cold winter, storms, wind and rain. It also protects us from animals, dust and germs. Okay. Next is, what are houses made of? What are houses made of? Houses can be pakka or kacha. Pakka houses are strong. They are also called permanent houses. They are made up of wood, bricks, cement, iron rods and steel. Okay? सो इसी तरह से आपको फिंगर्स बुक पे रख के लाइंस पे रख के रीड करना है. वुड एंड ग्लास आर यूज्ड टू मेक डोर्स एंड विंडोज. Flats and bungalows in cities and towns are pakka houses. Kacha houses are made up of wood, mud, straw and dry leaves. Such houses are not very strong. They are mostly found in villages. A hut is a kacha house. Some people such as soldiers and nomads do not stay in one place for a long time. They stay in houses that can be easily moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. For example, tents and caravans, or we can say caravans. Tents are made up of strong clothes known as canvas. A tent can be folded, packed up and carried easily from place to place. Caravans have wheels and can move people and their belongings from one place to another. Okay? A houseboat is a floating house made of wood. It floats on lakes. Some places are very cold. They are covered with snow all through the year. Houses made of blocks of ice called igloos are found here. Okay? So read this much first. इतना read करिए students. I am giving you 1 minute to read this again. Read it out. Done all of you? Now the next is roofs and walls. We are going to read this topic, roofs and walls. Houses have a roof and walls to keep off the rain, sun, wind and cold. In some places it rains a lot. Houses here have sloping roofs. Rainwater can easily flow down a sloping roof, so water does not collected on the roof. Roof हम बोलते हैं छत को, जो छत होती है that is the roof. Houses in places with heavy rainfall are built on wooden poles called stilt. A stilt keeps the house away from rainwater that get collected on the ground. In very hot and dry places, houses have thick walls. Such walls keep the house cool in summer and warm in winters. Houses here have flat roofs as there is very little rainfall in these places. Okay. Now read the second paragraph, all of you. reading. Now, next paragraph. A healthy house. It is important to live in a clean and healthy house and surrounding. First one, a healthy house has air or well ventilated and well lit rooms, veranda, balconies and terrace that provide open space, fresh air and sunlight. Wire netted doors and windows to keep away disease causing pests such as flies and mosquitoes from the house. A proper drainage system to carry out dirty water from the bathroom and kitchen far away from the house. Okay. Next is a healthy surrounding. A healthy surrounding. So, a healthy surrounding has lots of trees to keep the air clean and fresh, does not open drains and garbage dumps, does not allow water to collect in puddles which becomes a breeding ground for disease causing mosquitoes. Okay. Next is to keep the house healthy and clean. Furniture, doors and windows need to be cleaned of dust every day. Floors need to swept properly and dropped with clean water. Okay. Cobwebs need to be removed once in a month. Garbage should be thrown in dustbins. Dustbin must be covered to keep away flies. Every day the garbage must be given to the garbage collector so that it gets thrown in the proper place. Okay. The drains in the bathroom and kitchen should be covered. Open drains invite cockroaches and other diseases causing insects. Wash basins, bathroom and toilets must be cleaned twice a week. Okay, next is clothes we wear. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. What are clothes made of? Clothes are made of different fabrics such as cotton, wool, silk and nylon. A fabric is a material made of natural or artificial fibers woven together. Cotton, wool and silk are natural fibers. We get these from plants and animals. Nylon and polyester are example of artificial or man-made fibers. Different seasons, different clothes. We wear light cotton clothes in summer. Such clothes keeps us cool and comfortable in hot weather. In winter, we wear thick woolen clothes. They keep us warm. It rains a lot in the rainy season. We wear raincoats and carry umbrellas whenever we need to go out in the rain. These help us to stay dry. Okay. So we all have done the reading of chapter number 8, houses and clothes. So I hope आप सब ने भी reading कर ली होगी. Now your homework is you have to do the reading again. Okay, एक बार फिर से आपको reading करना है. Do the reading again of this chapter. Now in the next video I will explain you the chapter. Thank you students. अब नहीं